We are 457 Presidential Boulevard, the Prater residence. We have a predominant pitch of a 4. We have felt over plywood with 20-year 3-tap shingles. We have closed valleys and regular shingle ridge shingles, regular asphalt ridge shingles. We'll start with some overviews of the front and the left. We do have a lower section, lower porch area. You can see we had a tarp over the chimney here. We have some lichen and moss growth here near the chimney under this overhang, which isn't surprising. As you can see, part of the chimney is pulling away and out. They said it is leaking around the chimney, which is why they tarped it. As you can see, I mean, that nail even popped out right there, but you can see it pulling away. This side's doing the same thing, which this was the side that was mostly tarped, was this side of the chimney. Of course, naturally there are places to get in here as wind-driven rain coming from the west will allow it to do so. Now this backside has flashing, as you can see. The chimney width is about 5 feet, about 60 inches. And anything more than, I believe, 32 inches needs some kind of runoff behind it so that the water hits it and runs off one side or the other and not just pull up right here. That can be another cause for the leak, is the pooling itself behind this chimney, behind the flashing here, with it being too long. Now, as we examined the roof, they said a couple of missing shingles. I do see a couple places. You can see here on the corner where a corner piece of shingle is missing. Over here, it looks like there's definitely been a prior repair at some point around this turbine. As we move up here a little bit, we have some nail popping here on the back where this pipe boot is. It's lifted up a little bit. We have a section of prior repair down here on the back. Section of new shingle. The satellite over there. Now we have a nail pop right here. I don't know how we got that smeared. That's a nail pop here. This looks like wind damage, and a little ways it kind of looks like it, but there's no creasing and it's really dark. There's quite a bit of granule loss in here, and then it doesn't appear to be creased by wind. Now on the front side, there is one wind damaged shingle. As you can see, they're clearly creased here on the front. We have another nail pop. Now we have a missing shingle here by this turbine, but as you can see, that shingle overlapped the metal and it lifted it up some, so that cannot be directly correlated with wind damage. So, see, I miswrote that here. I'll rewrite it. So on the south front, we have one damaged wind shingle. One wind damaged shingle, I should say. On the east right, we have 0. On the north back, we have 0. And on the west left, we have 0. Again, we are at 457 Presidential Boulevard, the Prater residence. And that is everything that's on this roof.